Hey guys, it's Miss Diamond, and I'm joined with my daughter Shira today
Hi.
because it seems that some people have questions on how to get onto Teams. So I just wanted to show you a visual. So you're going to log into Clever and then into your Clever account. After that, we're going to go to Office 365. If you haven't hearted it before, you might want to heart it. It's probably one of the only times you're not going into Canvas. You're going into Office 365. And right over here is Teams. So you're going to click into Teams. And what you are going to see is not my thing. You're going to, right over here, the email has a code, and I'll also put it at the top of my canvas. You're going to go to join or create team. You're going to want to join my team. And right here, you will enter the code. I think many of you have done this, which is fantastic, but I wanted to show you what's next. So once you've done that, you should see Diamond Algebra 1 team. You're going to click on the Diamond Algebra 1 team. And in here, this is the big thing I want you to know. This is how we're going to take attendance. So if you guys see, I have a bunch of emojis. I believe you guys can see it at the same thing I do. So all of you guys have been added. But if I want to see and take attendance on who was in my fourth period, I can expand this and I can see exactly who has checked in with me. So there have only been those checks. I don't care what your emoji is, but that way I can see who was checked in. I'm going to put a new thing saying Monday's date along with a Monday for check-in. But if you guys can see, this is all really hard to read. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for seventh period. I'm going to go find this thing and I'm going to be able to expand it and see who has actually checked in. If you are not one of these people that has checked in seventh period, you have not finished your job. So you could just click reply and then you'll put an emoji and you are ready to be done. This is also how we're going to be taking attendance so I can keep track. So what I will be doing down here is I will start a new conversation and I'll write something like third period students, 4-6 attendance, which is Monday, 10:30 meeting. Put emoji. Whoop, something like that. You'll see that in the morning of the 6th, and then you'll find your thing and just click it, and that'll be an easy way for me to see that you have taken attendance. So, for example, fifth period, there are only 3 of you, and Zach's not even in fifth period, so there's only 2 of you that have actually replied, and someone up here. But what you're going to want to do is click reply and then go there, and that's the big thing that we're trying to do. Thanks. I will see you Monday and we'll work out all the kinks if you can't figure this out. Do not worry. See you soon.